श्वेता जी आप कॉफ़ी पियेंगी?
I think I can have water. Can somebody
water?
please give me some water?
नॉर्मल वाटर ना?
Yes, yes, yes.
इसी में दे दीजिए कप में सचिन या कोई. हाँ ओके. भाग जाएंगे 6 लोग भागेंगे अभी. इसमें दे दीजिए. कप साफ हैं सारे. ये पूरी टीम आपके लिए बॉम्बे से मुंबई से आई है. ये हाँ हाँ मैं खुद भी आया हूँ. मुझे लेकर आए हैं ये सब. तो
मेरा टाइम स्टार्ट मत कर देना. अभी I haven't started.
टाइम ये फिल्म की तरह है. Ready. We did all the meetings, all the planning through video calls. We never met. I never met Ram sir for Dhamaka, during Dhamaka, because we were in the middle of the pandemic. I gathered a lot of respect for all the journalists because the way they conduct themselves from one interview to the other, or the way it's a 24/7 job and you really have to be on your toes all the time. Sir, आप कार्तिक आर्यन के साथ कब काम कर रहे हैं? बहुत ही होनहार लड़का है और आपसे बहुत कुछ सीखेगा भी.
What if you were to ask a question to Deepika Padukone? दिवाली को बीते हुए कुछ दिन हो चुके हैं, पर इट सीम्स लाइक सबसे बड़ा धमाका अभी होना बाकी है, और जो शख्स इस धमाके के पीछे हैं वो इस वक्त मेरे साथ हैं. वेलकमिंग कार्तिक आर्यन. वेलकम कार्तिक, हाउ आर यू?
थैंक यू सो मच श्वेता जी. थैंक यू. आई एम गुड. आई एम रियली हैप्पी टू बी हियर एंड आपसे बात करके करने में बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ.
Of course, we've been talking before the camera started rolling also, and it's just been amazing. First of all, congratulations. आपका प्रमोशन हुआ है क्योंकि लुका छुपी में आप रिपोर्टर थे. इस वक्त आप एंकर बन गए हैं. लोगों को साल लग जाते हैं, you know, रिपोर्टर से एंकर बनने में. How has this experience been?
It's been an amazing experience. मैं I mean, from the prep, from the seeding of the film to the prep to the shooting days, and now finally it's releasing and everybody is getting to watch, and there are also a few of us have watched it, and a lot of people from outside who have seen it, and they have been just raving about the film. So it feels really nice. It feels like जो भी प्रेप था या जो भी हार्डवर्क था वो सब रंग ला रहा है. एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी एंड सो थ्रिल्ड कि जितने लोग देख पाएँ उतना मज़ा आ रहा है. बिकॉज वंस पीपल स्टार्ट लाइकिंग योर वर्क, योर हार्ड वर्क विच वेंट इनटू दिस, यू स्टार्ट want to, you know, वो एक urge आ जाती है कि you want more. So I'm just happy, and I was really nervous before, but now I'm really happy with the kind of appreciation that's going towards the film and everything related to the film. But yeah.
Well, like I was telling you before we started also, that I have seen the film and I absolutely loved it.
Thank you.
This is one film where I was just sitting throughout and just glued to my screen. You know, I couldn't move even an inch, and the entire time I was just being extra dramatic and just, you know, being like, कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है. Even though I've seen the original film, but this was amazing. So yes, congratulations to you.
That was the idea. That's so nice that you say this thing that कि आप dramatic हो रही थी, अभी क्या होगा, इसके बाद क्या होगा. So that's the whole point of doing a thriller, and if it does that to the audience and to whoever is watching the film, it solves the purpose for, you know, for us, and it feels so good to hear this.
Definitely, you deserve it. Tell me something. You've shot for the film in one room, from what I hear.
Yeah.
Or two rooms clubbed into one.
एक छोटा सा एक washroom का sequence था, but otherwise it's primarily the room, the studio where you see Arjun Pathak all the time.
Yeah,
it's over there. Yeah.
And it took you around 10 days or something to complete the shoot.
Yeah.
That is crazy. That's actually crazy. Tell me a little about that. I mean, just sitting in a room doing this for 10 days straight. What was that like?
As I said earlier, it was an amazing experience, but it was quite different, and I mean really different from what I've done before. I've never shot like this. I've never prepped like this. I've never been, I was rehearsing with my acting coach, Mr. Vikas, who also plays Praveen Kamath in the film. So he was my acting coach. So I was only allowed to rehearse with him. I was not allowed to meet any other actor or have any conversation regarding the film with them because that's what Ram sir wanted me to, he wanted me to have those real reactions. He just wanted it so naturally that we were not allowed to meet. While we were shooting, we were prepping. So I'll just start with the prep. When we started prepping for the film, पैंडमिक चल रहा था बहुत ज़्यादा उस टाइम एंड देयर वाज नो वैक्सीनेशन इट वाज द peak at that time when the whole discussion was happening how to plan this film. So the whole planning was during the pandemic and I think there was this thing कि ऐसी फिल्म जिसमें कम contact हो लोगों से कम वो हो तो एक room या एक that kind of a film जो बन पाए and this was that film. Dhamaka was that kind of a script. When I heard the script, I was blown away by the script and the character of Arjun Pathak. And so we did all the meetings, all the planning through video calls. We never met. I never met Ram sir for Dhamaka, during Dhamaka, because we were in the middle of the pandemic. I had met him earlier. We had discussed some few projects to collaborate on, and we were discussing ki kisme. And during the pandemic, we found Dhamaka, and it happened. And so the interesting thing was, we never met during the prep. We never met. We met only during the shoot of Dhamaka, and पूरा rehearsals भी सारे Zoom calls पे होते थे. जो readings होती थी मेरे acting coach के साथ, उनके साथ, वो भी Zoom calls पे होता था. Studio visits, so for my just to get an insight or an overview, we had those studio visits. Which were also done through video calls. So मैं virtually उनको देखता था, उनसे बात करता था. Radio RJ भी play कर रहा हूँ मैं film में. So a lot of I had those conversations with a lot of RJs and उनके भी studios को देखा through virtual calls and that's how it went on. And then we went into the whole bio bubble, where the whole block of a hotel was blocked and we were shooting in a set. Now there everything was pre-lit. The cameras were there. There were like 8 to 10 cameras rolling at once. We used to do 15 to 20 pages at one go in one shot. तो वो single shot होते थे 15-20 मिनट के या 20 पेज के. And इसकी prep के लिए, इसकी rehearsal के लिए बहुत वक्त लगा, लेकिन शूटिंग में एटलीस्ट वो एक टोनैलिटी सेट हो चुकी थी तब तक. एंड आई वाज सो इनटू अर्जुन पाठक's world, I just maybe got the hang of it with Ram sir.
I think all the efforts have definitely paid off because, I've seen the film and it's actually fab. So, the dedication and all the hard work that went behind, the making of the film, it's very well translated on screen. So congrats again.
Thank you.
Okay, so I have a fun question for you.
Yeah.
What is one thing that Arjun Pathak does which Karthik would never do?
I think he's too grey for me. His moral compass goes towards the negative side a lot. So I would not go there. Yeah.
Okay. What is something that you learnt about journalists while, during the process of the film?
That it's a responsible job, and I gathered a lot of respect for all the journalists because the way they conduct themselves from one interview to the other, or the way it's a 24/7 job and you really have to be on your toes all the time. And एक छोटी सी भी गलती, कुछ भी थोड़ा सा भी minute चीज़ में गलती हो जाए तो वो कहाँ की कहाँ पहुँच सकती है. So it's very so that is what I gathered about journalism.
Okay. A question that you would want journalists to ask you more. Something, क्योंकि अब आप इतने समय से interviews करते आ रहे हैं, not just for Dhamaka but just in general also.
I think जो इस फिल्म में हुआ है about my work. धमाका के टाइम सब ने मेरे काम के बारे में बात की है और क्या सोच है या क्या इसके आगे क्या काम करने की बात है. So that is what I want more and more to be asked.
And what is one question that you don't want journalists to ask? You're like, बस अब हो गया, नहीं बात करनी मुझे इसके बारे में. Don't worry, I won't ask you, but I just want to know.
There's no question like that. Media can ask me any questions. Yeah.
How nice. Okay, so I just because we don't have a lot of time, I have one last thing that I want to do with you. Now, since you're playing an anchor, since you have like your prime time show, जिसके लिए आप लड़ाई कर रहे हैं बिल्कुल.
जी.
If you actually had your show and if you actually had a chance to ask a question to Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, what question would you want to ask him?
सर आप कार्तिक आर्यन के साथ कब काम कर रहे हैं? बहुत ही होनहार लड़का है और आपसे बहुत कुछ सीखेगा भी.
How lovely.
Thank you.
Okay, and what if you were to ask a question to Deepika Padukone?
I just wanted to change from the first question, इसलिए मैं दूसरा आंसर सोच रहा हूँ. Otherwise वो सिमिलर ही हो जाएगा. It's too tricky. Which is your favorite? Which is your favorite movie of Kartik Aaryan?
Lastly,
Just like that, yeah.
lastly, a question that you'd want to ask Ranveer Singh.
When are you again working with Deepika?
How sweet. Okay, so I actually put it up on Instagram and Twitter that I'm going to meet you, and I if the fans had any questions for you, so they sent so many questions, but more than that, they just sent in a lot of love. They just said that कि हमें कुछ पूछना नहीं है, but just tell Kartik that we love him and we're just eagerly waiting for Dhamaka. So one thing that you'd had to say to your fans who are watching you right now, what would you want to say?
Keep loving me. I mean, you've got great taste, and
Yes.
and I love them a lot. But I try to give them love in whatsoever manner I can, and yeah, I've been really lucky to have them in my life, and they do a lot of things for me, from making videos to sending stuff to writing letters to posting, making those cool reels with my photographs, or they do a lot, and they put in a lot of effort. So I really, and I look into all those stuff, and I look into I read those stuffs. So I get emotional also when I read their letters. So I'm so happy, and I'm in a very lucky space to get this much amount of love from a lot of people I don't know personally, but somewhere down the line there's this connection between me and them through my films, through my work, and or maybe some off-screen things or on-screen things. So it's a strange connection which we have, and I really want to continue that, and I really, really love you all.
How sweet. I'm sure your fans will be very happy to see this. And I think that's all the time we had, but this was really nice talking to you, Kartik.
Thank you, Shweta.
Thank you so much for doing this. I was going to say thank you so much for connecting, because I'm just still in the Zoom wala mode, but it's great that you came all the way to Delhi to do this. That's amazing.
Thank you.
And you also have your birthday coming up, so
Yes.
advance happy birthday.
Thank
I'm sure
you.
you're already giving us a gift by getting us Dhamaka.
धमाकेदार होने वाला है
Yes,
birthday.
definitely. So for everybody, Dhamaka is going to be releasing on the 19th of November, only on Netflix, and I am definitely sure that you are going to love it, because I did too. Thank you so
So
much,
sweet.
Kartik.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.